congregation and make his congratulatory remarks. I would like to congratulate Professor and congratulate Judge Mukolo for getting this position, but most importantly, to congratulate the visitor, Ssaabasajjja Kabaka.
Thank you. Please be seated. Madam Chancellor, Madam Minister, everyone here has been introduced in a special way in their respective capacities, except the clan heads. The chairman of the clan heads council, Omutaka Namwama, and Omutaka Nsamba of the Ngabi clan. Minister Nakate is very proud today that I'm surrounded by members of the Njofu clan. But I'm never to be left out because Pokino is of the Mutima clan. And it's here. I'm never to be outdone in that aspect. But I greet you all, and it is an honor for me to witness the inauguration of the Vice-Chancellor. Like the Minister, this is the first time ever for me to witness a ceremony of this kind. It's very rare. And I would like to thank the council that organized it. We celebrate not only the appointment of Professor Kakembo, but also the laying of a firm foundation for the stability of Mutesa, the First Royal University. I join the rest of the speakers to congratulate Professor Vincent Kakembo, because I think this is a well-deserved appointment. Your dedication, your good leadership, unwavering commitment to academic excellence, I think have all resulted into being given, in the political language, this second term. The Vice-Chancellor brings a wealth of experience, the man of passion for innovation, as the Chancellor ably introduced him. His leadership style, when I watch from a distance, is characterized by teamwork, forward-looking approach, all of which have greatly contributed to the award of the charter to this university. And yeah, clap if you have to. And I think the future can only be better than what we experience now. I urge members of top management to continue working with the Vice-Chancellor as you impart knowledge and shape the minds of students. That is a great contribution to the nation. So the teamwork is essential. Work with dedication and with focus, and I'm sure we shall realize our objectives. I'd like the students to know through the Guild President that you are the heart of this institution. You are the products we churn out. So be curious, always be enthusiastic. work relentlessly in pursuit of knowledge. This is an opportunity for you to embrace this new chapter with a new term for the Vice-Chancellor with open minds and hearts. And we expect you to seize the countless opportunities that lie ahead under the leadership of Professor Vincent Kakembo. Before I sit down, I'd like also to greet the family of Professor Kakembo. They just made 25 years in marriage with his dear wife. They didn't invite me, but they had a beautiful event. I was reliably informed by my spies. I don't know why they didn't invite me, but it was a beautiful occasion. And we hope that this stability from the family, seeing your daughters now, will give you renewed energy to work for this Kabaka's University. And there's something personal about him that I want to share with you. I came to Masaka some time back. I don't remember the occasion why I was in Masaka, but I went to a hotel for lunch where Professor Kakembo was residing. Because I think the Vice-Chancellor's parlor, I don't know what they call it, or residence, hadn't been worked on. And the hotel management deemed it in their wisdom that I should use Professor Kakembo's room. You know, I wanted to wash my hands. And I think they thought that the best room they had was the one that was being occupied by Professor Kakembo. And I was surprised that a man of his credentials was staying in that room as his home for such a long period. I don't think you got it because you would have uploaded him. Because he was staying in a small room in a hotel for a very long time with minimum facilities. I found out because they took me to wash my hands in his room. I didn't have a spare key for your room, sir. It was the management of the hotel. And, you know, he has this unassuming character, but with a will of iron, this man. I thought I should share this with you. And I'm personally very happy for this moment. Not only because it's the first time I'm witnessing such an event, but because I was in cabinet when the decision was taken to start a university for the kingdom. Lots of things went on. But now I'm here to witness not only the inauguration of the Vice-Chancellor, but at a time when we have a charter, momentous occasion. So I'm personally very, very happy. So let's all come together, like the minister said, and we support the Vice-Chancellor to build a firm foundation for the university, to build a big legacy for this institution. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Professor. And we look forward to a prosperous and transformative era under your leadership. Nalisira bangako beba tuza ba Vice Chancellor.